3 simple yoga poses for plus-size women to improve flexibility. 1. Standing half forward fold. This pose stretches out your hamstrings and warms you up for other poses. Stand on your feet at about hip width. Slowly bend forward from your hips, not waist. Always keep your back as straight as possible and reach for the floor. With practice, you'll stretch out your hamstrings and master this pose in no time. 2. Tree pose. Stand on your feet at about shoulder width. Extend your hands above your head and put your palms together. Then, raise your left foot and put it as high on your right inner thigh as possible. If you find it difficult to remain balanced, just put your hands together at your chest. Hold this pose for a few deep breaths, return to starting position and repeat with the other foot. 3. Camel pose. Camel pose is great for eliminating back pain and stretching out your chest and back. Begin on your knees with your legs about hip width apart. Slightly bend backward and grab your right ankle with your right hand. Then, arch your back and push your chest forward a bit and reach your left ankle with your left hand. Hold this pose for a few breaths, return to starting position and repeat a few more times. So these are the 3 simple yoga poses for plus-size women to improve flexibility.